Hey guys, today I'm going to do a startup test and a stress test using my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to turn my phone on. Let's see how long it takes to turn on. I have T-Mobile. Alright, so now it's on and I'm going to go ahead and put in my password and we're going to go ahead and run the test. Real fast, before we run the test, you guys can see that the app, I believe it's called On Tutu, turns right on and, well, it's right on the screen right there, so I have to unlock my phone and let's get to it. Alright, so here's the app. It's called On Tutu. I believe that's how it's pronounced, I'm not sure. So On Tutu benchmark. Go ahead and click it. You can see it's on the top and it's pretty neat. It has all these different tests that you can run, but we're just going to do this stress test right now. So let's go ahead and start it. It's going to take about 15 minutes to test. Let's see what happens. Alright, so that was right about 15 minutes. I just picked up my phone and it's hot. Okay, so I just downloaded this app and I'm not really familiar with it, but it seems pretty cool. Let's see, so it gives you the CPU performance and it just shows all of this stuff. So it looks like the CPU performance is between 60 and 100%, so that's interesting. And oh, that you can move this. I think that's interesting. And then the cores seem like they're all working. I don't know if it's catching the blue and the pink. So it looks like we're running at 60 to 100%. The battery temperature, it looks like it went up right here. But I think it's because of the test. My phone is really hot. And then of course you could test again, which I'm not going to do. Let's see. What's this? Feature test. Okay, so it has all these different tests that you can test. Color bar test. I guess you just press it. Okay. Wonder what this means. I wonder where the results are. Multi-touch. Oh, wow, that's cool. Oh, look at that. It knows that you're touching it with 5 fingers. But, Grayscale Test. Okay, that's interesting. Oh my goodness. Dark color test image too. I'm not exactly sure. Gray radiance. Oh man, you know what? I'm not gonna be doing this because I'm not sure what this means. Oh, I can't get out. Anyways, it's pretty cool if you guys know how to use this. But oh, and then it says all your information. I got an average score on that, by the way, but yeah, this is pretty cool. Anyways, let's see the ranking. Okay, it's gonna take a while. Oh, no. So it just kind of shows your ranking and everything, I guess. I don't even know if mine's here. Okay, right here. But I think this app is really cool if you're a techie person and you know how all this stuff works. I think it's pretty neat. But me, as an average person, I'm not quite familiar with anything, but yeah. Alright guys, I'm not the most tech savvy person. I'm not as familiar as others are with all this technology and stuff. It's really neat to kind of dive into it. I wish I understood it more, but I don't. So maybe you guys can explain, or maybe Adrian can explain what all those things mean. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Bye!